Chef Wally welcomes you to Sunny Wang Kitchen.
Okay, now we're going to dress that prime rib so we can put it on the rotisserie. It's going to take about 3 hours. And now we're going to build a little bit of a rub sauce for it to put over the prime rib. Get about 6 cloves of garlic here. I crushed them with salt. And we're going to add a little olive oil. Need about 2 tablespoons. And we got some fresh cut rosemary. A little more kosher salt. Just add a little bit of that. And freshly ground pepper. I'm going to stir that up and apply to the prime rib. Smells really good, especially fresh cut rosemary. Maybe I should have made a little bit more, but that's all good. Towel, clean the pan off. And then put the spit through it. Here we got our potatoes. It's going to be our drip pan underneath there. We got some potatoes, carrots, onion, and some garlic in there. Put a little salt on there. Makes a good taste in nausea. A little water in the bottom so there's some good things in there. We're going to run it to this side here so we can have a well-balanced piece of meat on the rotisserie so it doesn't have to work hard. And what we'll do, see how that works. You need to go a little further deep in there. Oh yeah, you know, I forgot to thank the people over at douchebag.com for this t-shirt here. I appreciate it. Nice and balanced and centered. That way it just won't flop from one side to the other side. You get a nice roasting on it. Alright, we're going to let that sit a minute and come room temperature. And then we'll take it out to the grill and fire up the rotisserie. It's going to take probably about 2.5 hours. Okay, we got our drip pan on there right now. And now I take aluminum foil with some chips that have been soaking for a couple of hours. And I'm going to poke some holes in them. Put that right in front of the burner. Okay. And here it's sizzling there. And we're going to get the get our smoky flavor going here real soon. Okay, we got our smoke pouch on there, and soon we're going to put the prime rib on the rotisserie as soon as it starts to smoke. Okay, we just pulled the other one off right there, the old smoke pouch. Now we're going to place another one in there. In about 30 minutes, so probably over 30 minutes will be good. Made that one kind of big, but that's the way you learn. Looking good, eh? We got about 2.5 hours for that puppy. Eating the bread on the grill. Okay, the garlic bread's done. It's been in there for quite a while. We got that sucker turned off. We got the hot pad over here. That's that roastwood. Very close to that sucker. Okay, primer rub's been on there about 2 hours and 50 minutes. And it's about 55 degrees in there. And we're going to tint it here. Aluminum foil. We're going to rest before we cover it. And our potatoes here and our corn. Walk over here. Check it out. There's our baked potatoes and corn and carrots in there and onions and stuff. And that'll be well, thanks again for this t-shirt here from douchebag.com. I appreciate it. Nice t-shirt. Okay, now we have the prime rib. It cooked for about 2 hours and 50 minutes on the grill. And we get about 250 or 255 in temperature. And we let it sit for about 15 minutes. And now we're going to cut it. Okay, we're going to cut it close to the bone here. As close as we can get to the bone. We're going to fill that bone on the left side and the meat on the right side. That's hot. That's for ribs later. Okay, look at that bad boy right there. And what you're going to do is you're going to get your paper towels hell out of it. Okay. How's that look, man? That looks fine. 3 hours in the rotisserie. And now we're going to create a plate here for a nice dinner. What I want to do here is cut off the end piece right here. So we don't have any whiners about, oh, mine was too done. Better get a little more here on this side here. Maybe a sliver over here. Make sure you have a sharp knife. Okay. Also, you can take the sucker and nice slice it nice and thin and make some good sandwiches. Some Philadelphia cheese steak sandwiches or some Las Vegas style. Okay. Now our first piece we're going to cut off is going to be a queen's cut, which is normally about a 1/2 inch. How's that look, boys and girls? And now, we're going to serve that with a baked potato here. Slice that baked potato. Put a little butter on that sucker. A little sour cream.
Keep on face that you have to face, mirror in your stare. I'm what's left, I'm what's right, I'm the enemy.